Hey everyone, this is Melanie from Agra-GPS. This is a quick video about our ITCExtend and just a couple questions we had about that installation part. So again, this is the product, your box and your cable. These are some ITC receivers. These are the older models. This is a newer style model. As you can see on these receivers, we have receptacles that come out the end of here, whereas on the new style, we have two choices here, a plug and a receptacle. What is very, very important is when you're plugging this in, you have to plug in the receptacle part of the ITCExtend to the plug on your receiver. That's the way it has to go. So obviously, as you can probably notice now, this will not work, but this is the way it does have to go. So you have two options to make that work. The one we recommend is to buy this adapter from John Deere. It's just a plug to plug here. It goes in, so it just plugs into your receiver here, and then you are able to plug in your receptacle and to here to your receiver. So this is one option how to make it work. It is the one we recommend. If for some reason purchasing this adapter is not an option for you, there is another one we can do. So what we would do is we can reverse the direction of these canvas pairs by taking out these wires here and just flipping positions. So in order to do that, you would take this part out. You need two sets of tools. So these nose pliers and a flat screwdriver, a pretty small one too. Okay, first step is to take out this orange part on your plug. Okay, and then the next part, we have to switch these green and yellow pairs. So the pair here is on 12 and 1, and another pair is on 3 and 10. All we're doing is switching these pairs. So to release these pins, what you have to do is grab that flat screwdriver, put it here in between that latch, and gently push it outwards or towards the middle. And while you're doing that, also pull that cable out. What we want to do is we're going to switch this one with this one. So that's number 1 with number 3. We switch those, and then we'll do the same thing for the yellow side. So you'd switch number 12 with number 10. Here I'm just going to put it back in since we have the adapters. So when you push those pins back up, make sure they're all on the same level again and that locking mechanism is secure. Last part, of course, is to put this orange part back into your plug. Just pop it in, and that's it. By switching those canvas pairs, what you were able to do now, since we switched that direction, is you can put this part here, the plug, into your receptacle. And that would work as well. Another question we had is where to mount the ITCExtend device. So it doesn't matter where it goes. The most important thing is that it's secure, it's not bouncing around anywhere, there are electronics in there. This here is one style, one way that you could mount your ITCExtend device. However, you could put it on the side, you could zip tie it, do what you like. The most important thing is just that it's secure, like I said, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped.